Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'll be showing you how I achieved this beautiful coffee table without robbing the bank. Let's get started. First, I got this table base from a local metal fabricator, also known as a welder. I asked him to spray it gold, which he did, and he went on to add a round plank to complete the coffee table shape. Now I wanted a classy marble look for the tabletop, so instead of using a real marble, which can be so expensive, I went for this aluminium foil paper. Guys, this aluminium foil paper gives a marble-like finish. It's a peel and stick, is water resistant and even heat resistant. So before applying it, I clean the surface using wipes. Always make sure your table is clean and dry for the best result. When applying the contact paper, I started slowly. Don't peel off the entire back at once. Peel it bit by bit and place it gradually and smooth it down as you go to avoid bubbles. I'm using my hand to blend out the air bubble, but you can also use a plastic card or anything. Just you do what works better for you. Enjoy the process and let me know if you tried this out. So guys, when you are done with this first stage, you can see that there's still a space left out. The next thing for you is to repeat the same process. I'm going to go off camera to complete this process. So guys, you can see how beautiful our coffee table turned out. It's glossy, smooth, elegant, and the best part, it's super affordable. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to share, like, and subscribe for more creative ideas.